Good afternoon, everybody. And I hope you are doing good. So today I am going to demonstrate you about the new library I have built, which is related to AI Chatbot, and I'm going to show you how it works. So I hope you are already aware of how Alexa, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home Assistant works. So I also was wanted to build something similar to that, but I do not wanted to buy some devices from Amazon or Google, and I decided to build my own library and do my own, which makes my life easier. So, yep, let's get started. So, what you can see on my screen here is actually my actual mobile device. This I'm using a Samsung mobile phone, and this is actually mirroring from my actual phone to my PC here. So whatever you will see here, it is the same which is there on my mobile. So this library is actually used can be used for as well as mobile and as well as for web. So for this demo, I have built right now for web, sorry, for my mobile, and the another version of web is under progress, so it will be ready soon. All right, so let's get started. So first I'll open this app. So the app that I have named it as AI Chatbot. So let me open it. So here I'm using a Firebase authentication. The reason is choosing Firebase is because it has a good integration between Android, specifically when you want to send some kind of notification through your app. It's actually very useful. And second is that it has a JSON kind of a real database, which is useful for my application. So I will come to that later point how I am storing this my data into Firebase. All right, so let me open login here. It's just pretty simple login.
Welcome to Be Calm. My name is Yantra. What can I do for you?
I hope you can still hear the sound which is coming from my phone. I think it's a little bit less sound, but I'm sorry for that. But I do not have any other option at the moment, so I hope you can still hear it. All right, so now I have logged in here, and this voice is coming from my phone. So let me ask something to my bot right now. How are you?
Great. How is going?
I am good, thanks.
Great. What is your name?
My name is Sam.
Hello. Where do you live, Sam?
I live in Munich, and John lives in London.
I have no answer for that.
I live in Munich, and John lives in London.
Thank you for letting me know. Hope it is a nice day in Munich and London.
So here I to so based on my input, it actually knows that where I live and uh, where is actually it actually remembers what I say. So s- uh, at some point of time, I will come back to our conversation and will ask this bot whether he it remembers my location and also John location. So for the timing, let me ask something else to this bot. Tell me a joke.
What is the definition of balanced diet?
What?
Beer in each hand.
Okay, so right now you see when I said what, then it says it gives me the actual answer of which it asked previously. So just a couple of minutes back, I told that to bot that I live in Munich and John lives in some other place. So let me ask bot whether he remembers. it or not. Where do I live?
Sure. You live in Munich.
All right, so I live in Munich, so it remembers. So now I want to ask something else. So before you remember when I said what, particular the word what, then it gave me the answer. So right now, if I say what, then it should not answer anything. It should say I do not know. So that is actually kind of a context, through in which I'm actually speaking. So before I said what in the context of the joke, but now if I say what, it is not the context of joke. It's something else. What?
I have no answer for that.
Yes. So you see now it understand that it's out of context, so it does not know what I'm talking about. So it says I have no answer for that. All right. So now, as I said, I live in Munich. So I want to ask bot, how is the weather? How is the weather in Munich?
Please wait while I am checking. It looks like the temperature is 27.56 degrees Celsius and few clouds.
All right. So here it's actually behind the scene. It's making some API call and then it's actually pulls the data and display it here. So it's pretty simple, but the brain behind that and and process according to this input, it's the brain which this library is doing. All right, so I want to show you another thing. Let, uh, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on 1st August.
Repeat, please.
My birthday is on 1st August.
So is if you as you can see here that in real life situation, like when you ask somebody and then when he or she replies back to you, then you do not hear it at the first time. So you again ask, repeat please, or what did you say? Similar way it is, you can ask the bot that repeat please, so it will say what it said last time. So now I want to should do something else. When is my doctor appointment?
Your doctor appointment phone 2nd August 2021 13:30.
Okay, so now you see it has integration with my calendar. In that case, it is a Google Calendar. So for example, if I forget something, I can easily ask when is my doctor appointment. So in the similar way, I can also ask this bot to set up an alarm or reminder for me, which will be set on my Google Calendar. So for example, if I just open it, my Google Calendar, let's see how it looks like. Yep. So 2nd August, I have a doctor appointment 1:30 to 2:30. So the similar thing, it is saying that when it is my uh, doctor appointment is. All right. So I want to have a coffee.
All right. Please tell me the how many spoon of sugar and milk.
1 spoon of sugar,
Sugar 1 spoon.
milk 10 ml.
All right. Your coffee is ready. Enjoy. Please pay €1.5.
So what is happening here? So when I said I want to have a coffee, so it's actually wait for the parameter which actually requires to prepare the coffee. So in this case, it is asking how many, it is asking two parameters. One is sugar and one is milk. So based on that is actually waiting in the background, and when as an user you are just giving the input, then it's actually meets this condition, the thread which is running in the background, it meets the criteria, and then it's actually prepare the coffee for you. So in you can imagine in such a way that I have a coffee machine and it need to give some input, or any home automation kind of software, that home automation kind of system you have. So for example, you want to boil something, and to until how much temperature you want to boil, and switch on and switch off all these devices, you can easily do it from this application. So it's pretty same as uh, other other devices, physical devices are there, but you do not need to buy anything from your pocket. You just use this application and then you're ready to go. All right. So till now, I have shown you the different. I had a conversation with the various topics. So let me ask a few more questions. What is the capital city of Germany?
Berlin. Would you like to know more about it?
Yes.
Here are some information.
Okay. So here it opens. When I said yes, it said and understand that the context, and then it opened the city of capital city of Germany. So let me ask some other question. What is the capital city of India?
Delhi. Would you like to know more about it?
Yes.
Here you go.
Okay, so here is also a context which I explained you before. So yes is actually in both cases I said yes, and it actually understand that in which context I'm talking about. So it open the corresponding answer and explain it in more details. So later point of time, if I say yes, then it will understand. It will say I don't have any answer. So let me try tell this to him. Yes.
I have no answer for that.
So now it is actually out of context. So before it was asking for, do you want to know more? I said yes, but now when I said yes, it's actually out of context. So it says that no, I don't have any answer. All right. So now I want to show you kind of integration with AEM application. AEM is an kind of a content management system. So it is if you do not know about AEM, you don't have to worry about it. It's just an how it interacts with through some command and mobile devices. So just let's get started. So I want to ask the bot about something which is related to AEM. How many pages are created?
Sure. Let me help you. The number of pages are 489.
What did you say?
489.
Thanks.
You are welcome.
So number of pages which is created in AEM is 489. So for example, it generally what we do in AEM, we just write a query and do this stuff. So instead of writing a query or ask somebody, you can easily do it by yourself. So just uh, you know ask this bot about the how many pages. So it can be any queries which you generally need to run a report basically. So for example, you can also ask how many pages are published till now for such content tree. So it will do that thing. So yeah, so this is one of the example I am showing you. So let me ask one more something else. Create a page.
What will be the location, template type, and title?
Title is my title.
Page title is my title.
Template type will be hero page.
All right. Template type is hero page.
Location is under main.
Your page location is men. Page is created http://192.168.178.294,502/editor.html/content/we retail/s/and/men/my title.html.
All right, so now let us go back to AIM application and then see where it has created or not. So for that, I said before under main, so let me refresh it now. So here you go. It just now created this page. So now what I want to say that I don't want to open this page here. So I will say to bot to open it. Open it.
Sure.
So guys, here something really cool thing is happening here. So when I said yes, it's actually logs you in automatically to AEM. So before, if you remember, I was logged in via Firebase, and I my user was created, and now when I said yes, it's actually does the SSO authentication, and it allows and AEM allows user to log in via Firebase authentication handler. So for that, actually, I have built an authentication handler between which actually lets you in from Firebase to AEM. So basically, it sends some token in the as an header parameter, and then this header parameter is again validated by the authentication handler in AEM, and then it lets you in. So right now there is no component is added here. So let me ask this bot to add some component here. So I don't want to do anything manually. So I just want to do through voice or via this bot. Add image component.
Please wait while I am doing this for you. It is added to the page http://192.168.178.294,502/editor.html/content/we retail/a//my title.html.
Open it.
Sure.
All right. So let me. Oh, here you see here now it has added this image component here. So earlier it was not. So now I am able to add a image component here. So what I can do here. So right as I have already added the image component, then I can uh, take a photo. So for example, you can imagine that as I'm using my phone, so I want to capture some image from randomly, and then want to use it in my page, for example, or upload into a dam. So for example, now if uh, for that actually I have customized the toolbar here. So I have added one option. So just click on it. I have click on it, and then I just choose file. Then actually it gives me the option to, yeah, take the photo. So here I'm taking this photo here, and then okay, so this photo is now uploaded. So let me go back to here, this dam here. Yeah, so here you see this image is just now uploaded here. So this is the image which is just now I uploaded it here. So it is able to upload it. It is able to uh, add a page on it. So let me publish it. Let me ask him to publish it. Activate.
No. The page is now published http://192.168.178.294,502/editor.html/content/we retail/a//med/my title.html.
So here you see it is already doing this automatically by sending this. Actually, it's called some API, and then it's activated. So all the things I can do it from my phone, like as a content author. I can create a page, I can add image component in it, and then also I can publish the page in the end. So now I want to show you another functionality of this bot. So it can also does the mathematical calculation. So let me ask something to bot. Let's see. How much is 10 plus 50
60.0.
plus 10?
I have no answer for that.
How much is 10 plus 50
60.0.
multiply by 2
120.0.
plus 30
I have no answer for that.
plus 30
30.0,
plus 60
90.0,
multiply by 2.
180.0.
So here you can see here it's all automatically doing all this calculation based on my input. So it understand the what was the previous calculation was, and then previous result was, and then it actually gives you the result. So it's really good things. For example, when you are typing, when you are reading some the numbers, and at the same time you have to do the calculation, so it is really useful that you just ask this bot, and bot will uh, do the all these mathematical operations. So for example, it can do addition, subtraction, multiplication as division. So for example, you can ask as many as expression you want. So for example, how much is 10 plus 50 plus 60?
120.0.
Yeah, so all these things, it depends on the what you want to do. So it can uh, calculate as the expression that you give to this bot. So yep, so I hope you will be able to use it. So let me show you now how this I have set up this uh, application here. So for the uh, I will how it is working behind the scene. So for example, I have let me bring my another uh, window here. So yeah, yeah, you guys. So here you see, for example, mathematical calculation, right? So when I say how much is this, then I have added is a math as index, and then it actually does this what kind of operation it should do. So the math means it understand that it has to do this mathematical calculation, and my library does all this calculation for you. And similar way, so when we want to do some network operation, so you don't have to, you just have to give this asynchronous thing here, and then you specify the which JSON. So it expects a JSON uh, result from the API, and you need to specify just the which key you want to specify here. So based on the result key, so it is actually all is happening through this different keys which I've defined in this schema. So here template, and then what does it mean async? I will explain. I will write in a separate document what all these keywords means and how you can use it in real solution. So don't worry about that. So here also it repeat means the last sentence what the bot said. So based on that you can build your own yeah, chatbot. So what all you have to do, you have to just write this JSON file for your own, and what is the each and every syntax, the meaning of the each and every syntax, just you have to know it, and then you can just ready to go, you can build your own chatbot. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I hope you will be able to use it. And if you are interested to know the code of this particular library, if you want to see it and if you want to access it, then just write a comment in this box, and then I'll be able to help you with. So thank you so much, and have a great evening. Thank you very much.